Yeah, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so we're going to be taking a look at the Pixel 4. Yes, the Pixel 4. The controversy phone released by Google, and it had a lot of controversy behind it. Let's get real about it. But in general, how is the phone in 2021 today, especially during the summer of 2021? And if you're actually, thinking about looking at picking up one of these phones, I would definitely say it's actually worth it. Now this is the Pixel 4, so not the 4XL. So I want to kind of put that out there to make that known, as one of the big differences between the 4 and the 4XL is battery size, and I'll get into that a little bit later in the video. But in general, the phone itself is actually pretty solid. It is on the current version of Android, and it will get Android 12, so that's something you don't have to worry about. Of course, the one I have is the black version, which I'm not too much of a fan of. I would have really wished I gotten the white version or the Oso orange. That would have been actually pretty cool. But I mean, I got this at $400 and was only 3 months old when I got it, so half the price of what it launched at. So I mean, it's a good deal, so I really can't complain. So it does have two lenses on here, and then with this one it does have the normal wide angle lens and then a telephoto lens, so not ultra wide. That was one of the controversial things about this phone, was that it didn't go ultra wide when it was released. But you know what, it still takes really good photos and videos. I use this to shoot most of the videos that I record. With it, it's got a nice sound to it. So the speakers, even though there was one bottom firing speaker and one top front firing speaker, is actually pretty nice. Cameras, it's still really solid at. Again, with Pixels, I don't have to emphasize too much on the photos, because that's what it's king of, taking photos. Still photography is its main forte. But videos comes out pretty good too when you record videos, believe it or not. So don't believe the hype that only iPhones can record good video. The Pixels can too, at least with the Pixel 4. One of the things here that I will let you guys know about is battery. Battery is one of the big key issues about this. It's a 2800 milliamp hour battery, and I believe this one has a Snapdragon 855 processing chip, so it's actually very capable, still ready to go. But one of the big quintessential things about this phone, and why this has to be in my lineup, even if I was to sell any of my Pixels, is the fact that this has Project Soli on it. So with Google testing out Project Soli, they decided to put it into their flagship phone. And so with the Face Unlock being quick, and I mean it's really quick, just by the gestures of moving the phone, pretty much starts it up. And then of course the dot 3D imagery unlocking for the Face Unlock, pretty much what the iPhone has, makes it for a very quick unlock. With the 90 hertz refresh turned on and everything, you could see how smooth it is. Of course, with motion sense, you could pretty much play around with it, but those are battery killers. And so on the Pixel 4, I wouldn't recommend having those on, especially since motion sense is more gimmicky than anything. Overall, in general, in 2021, this device is actually pretty solid. It's still good, and I definitely would recommend it. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, you know what to do. Smash the like button, share this on social platforms so more people can catch wind of it, and do as the screen says. If you have not subscribed, then do so. Hit the bell icon to be notified so you don't miss a video or when I go live. Thanks for checking out this video. Law.